strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I'll walk alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are going to put head-to-head a 2015 Ford Mustang GT stock and a 2013 Ford Mustang V6. Now, you're gonna ask, why are you comparing a V6 Mustang to a V8? For the simple reason that this V6 is not stock. It has a few mods done to it. Nothing major, but it has a few mods done to it. And the current output is a little over 300 wheel horsepower to the tires, while this car is bone stock, 435 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. I think it's a fair comparison. We're gonna see the result of what these two cars will do.
Hey everyone, here's my 2013 V6. It's got a couple mods done to it. Had it for about 4 years now. The first couple things I did were a couple bolt-on mods. We have a full exhaust, BBK headers, BBK Off-Road X pipe, and a Borla Cat Back. Also got a JLT intake and supported intake manifolds for Super 6 manifolds. After that, we did some drivetrain mods. It has a McLeod RSt twin disc clutch. It's got a lightweight steel flywheel, a built Ben Calimer transmission, and it's got an aftermarket drive shaft and 373 gearing.
Oh, if you didn't believe because of the grill that it was a V6, well look, it is a V6. And yeah, you're gonna see it against this 5.0 Mustang. We're gonna see the result. This is bone stock, by the way. So guys, the race is over and I'm gonna call it for the Mustang GT. Now, if you watch the race just like I did, and I actually spoke to the Mustang GT owner after the race, and he told me he got locked out of third gear on the first two races, and then the third one he had a perfect start and perfect finish. So to him, he just want to consider the third race, while the V6 owner said that he noticed the Mustang GT getting locked out of gear on the first race, but the last two were good. So he won the second race and lost the third race. I will not comment about that. I will leave it to you guys to decide. But based on all the factors, based on the fact that it's still a Mustang GT, even though it's bone stock, against a modified V6 Mustang with headers, a tune, cold air intake, and stuff like that. I mean, it doesn't have a turbo. I believe that the only way a Mustang V6 can take on a GT is if it has a turbo or a supercharger or something like that. So with just bone stock, I mean, with basic bolt-on, I really do not believe that it is a match for the Mustang GT. But again, you know, the results are very confusing. To be honest, I will leave it to you guys to decide. Write a comment in the comment section below and tell me, who do you believe won? Do you believe that the Mustang GT locked out of gear for the first two races and then the third race is the only one to be considered, or do you believe that these two cars are evenly matched? I will be interested to see what these two cars will do in the hands of professional drivers. So there will be a rematch at the drag strip October 31st, and on September 1st you will have the video. It will be at the drag strip on a prep surface, so I believe that the condition will be better.